Shop smarter with BrainyBuyer.com and support smarter by subscribing. Your click means more unbiased tests, clearer charts, and fewer decision headaches. So we're comparing the Breville Barista Touch and the DeLonghi Eletta, huh? Both super-automatic espresso machines?
Yep. Looks like the Breville's brand new while the DeLonghi is a renewed product. That's already a big difference in terms of price and perceived reliability, you know?
True. The Breville is around $800, while the DeLonghi, well, it's unavailable right now, but it was listed around $650 as a renewed item. So cheaper, but with the risk of being pre-owned.
Exactly. And the Breville has a touchscreen, makes it super easy to select your drink and customize settings. The DeLonghi, on the other hand, uses buttons. More traditional, maybe?
Yeah, the Breville's touchscreen is a big selling point. You can save up to 8 personalized coffees. Plus, it heats up in just 3 seconds with its thermojet system. Pretty speedy.
The DeLonghi boasts about its latte crema system for perfect cappuccinos and lattes with one touch. And it can brew 2 cups at once. Does the Breville do that?
It does. Both can brew 2 cups. The Breville also has an automatic microfoam milk texturing feature. It adjusts the milk temperature and texture automatically. Sounds fancy?
Okay, nice. Let's talk about grinders. Both have integrated burr grinders, but the DeLonghi has 13 adjustable grinding settings. That's a lot of control. Does Breville specify the number of grind settings?
No, it just says adjustable grind control. The DeLonghi seems to give you more precise control there. But the Breville has dose control grinding. It grinds the right amount of coffee on demand.
Good point. Cleaning-wise, the DeLonghi has automatic cleaning programs and dishwasher-safe parts.
The Breville comes with a cleaning kit, but doesn't say much about automatic cleaning. The DeLonghi seems more convenient in that area. Dimensions are different too. The DeLonghi is taller, but less wide.
Right, footprint matters. And one last thing, the Breville has tons of videos showing it in action, while the DeLonghi has none. Seeing it work can be a big help.
Okay, so basically, the Breville is new, user-friendly, and faster, but the DeLonghi is cheaper when available, offers more grind control, and easier cleaning, even though it's renewed. Tough choice. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.